no Munuma. When you make Roma, you put in see, I didn't coach you. Naganilu. You can you walk on that. Where can it is that? EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu. Welcome on oraifite. Odinana bụ eziokwu. Orugono. A na-ebulukwa mmadụ n'ọkwụnụma. Onye mee nke ọma. Ebulie ya elu. Si ya jide nke oji na-aga n'ihu. Biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta. Wee kenye EZE-ANA. EZE-ANA ga-adị. EZE-ANA Ugochi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu. Nwoke ọma na oraifite. Ị ga-adị. Odinana bụ eziokwu. Odinana bụ ụzọ ndụ. Ị ma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chegharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti. N'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkuzi. EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu. Onye ọma na oraifite. Onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu. Onye ọma na-eje mmanụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu. Onye ọma na oraifite. Onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu. Onye ọma na-eje mmanụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. EZE-ANA ga-adị. Ugochi tubelu ga-adị. Ugochi tubelu temple. Ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwa jaja. Ndị okenye ga-adị. Front and back yo. Ndị oche ya-adị. Front and back. Faja sikala aka. Gọrị ụmụ Igbo. Si anyị rapụ nke anyị. Na nke faka mma. Buru Baịbụl bịa. Akwụkwọ akụkọ. Mepekwa chọọchị fa. Obodo ụka bịakwa. Mmadụ Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe. EZE-ANA si n'ọma mgbe. Ọdịnala amanwụ chacha. Oge ọbụla ọ na-eti. Ọ nọ na nkuzi. Chukwu abịa ma gbaa gị ume. Ọdịnala ya dị. EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu. Onye ọma na oraifite. Onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu. Onye ọma na-eje mmanụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu. Onye ọma na oraifite. Onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu.
Uruchi ọmanụ ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, anyị abịakwanụ n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Oge anyị ji awa eziokwu akpa n'ụbọchị tata bụ afọ. A sị na afọ ya fọtara anyị ihe ọma ma fọpụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ. A sị m onye sị na anyị ga-adị mma. A sị m na onye anyị adị mma. Mana onye sị na ya ma adị mma, onye ahụ ama nata mmata iru ụwa agwụ. Na-ekwe ọfọ n'oshi ise. Aka m bụkwa onye nke gị, Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu Odinana temple nke dị n'Oraifite na Anambra steeti. anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja Ugochi tubelu na Odinana Restoration Prayer Ministry, bụrụkwazị onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. My mission is to help people live better life. N'oge awa nke eziokwu nke ụbọchị taa, isiokwu anyị bụ why you are spending more money in your Odinana journey is because you have not done the right thing and you are not following the right method. I didn't happy isi gobari kaju. Ma akọwara ya ọfụma based on my own experience. And then I try make the video kwa short. Ige lota na video anyị na-eme taa these days I chọkọ na the short. Instead of we part 1 and 2. Echefutara na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa October ga-ebido kwa October 6th last for 14 days. Kwụsị na October 19. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ iso na ya bụ aja, send them a message in WhatsApp 0805-7837-672. I repeat 0805-7837-672. Everyone forward your 3 prayer requests. I can make ihe ndị ọzọ I need it from you, information I need it from you. Ka etinye afọ gị na ndị anyị na-agọrọ ọfọ kwa ụbọchị na temple for 14 days. Ọsọ a ga-emechi egbu eburu wee mesara aka dị iche iche. Agwara m ụnụ na nke ọnwa Ọktoba ozi anyị nwetara from the temple, nke ọnwa Ọktoba ga-adịbe iche. A ga-enwe massive testimonies from now till December 31st. We are getting more entities of powers involved in this our journey. Nke ọnwa October, they promise October, November, December boom. Yes. So ka ọkwa dị mkpa. Nke bụ abụ echefuna na every Wednesday ka anyị ekwubiri ndị mmadụ ukwu na temple maka ndị bịara present. Anyị na-enwe Odinana administration na temple every Wednesday. Saturday, Sundays na-abụ maka our counseling. People bịa. So then n'isiokwu anyị ji maka ya wee bịa bụ what you must do. I want to better Odinana. How to go about it. The most important thing is the approach. Ọtụtụ n'ime ụnụ na-follow the wrong approach because mgbe ụfọdụ na-enwere ike onwere onye kọwara gị. Yes, the right approach is this. Ọ bụrụ na ị nọ under the influence of my voice, you have made up your mind to come back to your root. Maka na ihe na-esi na nke onye akarịa, chigata back to your root. Ka m gwa gị ihe kwesịrị ime. Nke mbụ, pay attention. Nwee time for your spiritual exercise. What I'm telling you, what the method that really worked, it worked for me and it will work for you. And believe in me, it has worked for so many people. Now, you must make a time for spiritual reflection, what I call spiritual exercise. Because spiritual exercise is like a general name. Name that spiritual exercise. Quiet time they involve, meditation is involved, reflection, or they involve. Memory of man. Like I always tell you, that's why so many of you fail. Go in a happy see, go one, whatever you are doing, and you do not carry the spirit along, is going to fail. What you are trying to build is a lifeless human walking corpse. But for you to make positive impact in your life here on earth, you must do the two things. I told you before that now human being consists of the spiritual and the physical being. Pattern with the back brain and the frontal brain. One that the back brain with spiritual aspect, the frontal brain is for the intellect. Now, you will fail if you over cultivate the intellect. You get. Now, you need to cultivate both the spiritual brain, the spiritual life, both the life wire and the intellect, and balance it up. So, because over cultivation of the intellect will not allow you to become a better human being. You know what I mean? Now, for that reason, you have the time for your spiritual reflection. That is where the horsepower, where you'll be getting inspiration. Now, I would want to go by saying one name morning, back, you got a daughter your strength. That is your recharging point. So, now that's your spiritual exercise. You got 4 years, morning again, so see, because how direct you to the right path. The problem why most of you fail is that you don't have the right mentor. And when so many of you, they follow so many people. At the end of the day, you get yourself more, you become more confused. That is why some of you will never grow. At the end of the day, the person will become more confused and it will if he or she will abandon the project midway. Onya batalo na the most strongest Christian body on earth, but the Roman Church. That is why they forbid their adherents, their followers, from when we are growing. Agora need joka, mobugwa okona Catholic is a sin. You know why? They are trying to protect their members from adulterations and distortions. That they want to protect it till you become a full-grown staunch Catholic. You know that? Let me tell you what is happening on social media. In social media, you see a lot of things going on. There were so many motives for people on social media. They got funded on social media to make money. And when they be for, they want to make money at all costs. They don't care about the moral values. They are social influencers. They can dress nude. They can do anything. You know, let me tell you one thing you don't know. One thing you don't know about Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi, I can never follow the multitude to do sin. The reason, on social media, what they want to do is just to get followers, to draw traffic to their YouTube channel or to their Facebook. You don't have to earn money. Those people, they can step on toes. They can look for somebody that is popular. They will start throwing garbages on the person in order to be noticed. They are just trying to draw traffic. So we come and do something that is inappropriate, something that is not immoral, because they want traffic. As I'm telling you the truth, the message of life, Odinana Zondo, it will never go viral. But if I, Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi, want to go viral, I know the type of 10 controversial things I will get myself involved, it will go viral. But I'm not interested because I have already programmed the type of life I want to live. Everything is not about what? Everything is not all about money. Some can come to social media, show expensive cars worth 10, 15 million on social media. They are social influencers. By so doing, some of them will throw controversial issues in order to draw traffic, as even costing them and what they are making their money. But then I check wow, on social media, it must be sure of one thing. One thing you will be sure is this: make sure you follow people of like minds. And what on social media, had like look alike. Or the same at all. It cannot, very difficult for you to get somebody that we teach like Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi exactly, unless people that pass through my mentorship. Yes, I don't want to start mentioning them, but I can tell you there were some of my people, male and female, that passed through my free college, so they will teach alike, but there are not many. So I don't want to start mentioning them, but what I can tell you now is, but minus that, what you'll be seeing is a lot of things. You understand? Come outside. So because of that, at the end of the day, some people will be confused. So what I'm telling you is that when you are before your altar, tell your Ismail that they should lead you to the right person. After consulting Alpha, make sure you follow one person. If you find out that with the person that your mind will lead to you, that you feel at rest of mind, and as you are following the person, you notice kind of progress. It might not be too fast, but you notice you are climbing the ladder step by step. You are seeing improvement. Just gradually follow the person, stick with the person. Overall, everything is not all about magic. It will take time for you, because you are building your spiritual sagacity and everything about you. Yeah, everything is not all about money. Now, after finding out somebody, your mind and your is approved for you to follow the person, then what you will be doing is that, one, after consulting your Alpha, then it's not a more that you will do what all Alpha said. You can be doing them bit by bit, step by step. Don't jump. Ọmụ na-agbasịara gị afa inwe ụtụ, saa ụtụ dị n'ụzọ gị. Ọmụ na-agbasịara gị afa, ọ bụrụ na chi onye ụwa gị na-achọ ka ime ala with ya chi, do that. Then after that, the next thing you should do is this. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ego inwe ike align with ya ndị ichie. Another thing you will do is, if you are in Nigeria, try to visit your hometown. If you are my follower, I have taught you people, my followers, how to do family appeasement, how you can visit your country home, how you can use egg and the cooler to do your family appeasement. At least for you to show your ancestors that whatever that was done in the past, whether you are involved or not, that you are so sorry. You need to show that remorseful. That is one. Then after that, pay attention. Try to visit deity in your kindred, in your village. Any deity that is very, pay a visit to that place. If you pay a visit to that place, try. And if it's possible for you, you can stay there after the cooking, eat with them. Nobody is going to poison you. No quarrels or other possible. Yotaria has never done, and it can never be done. Because no one over that gauge walk, Gavata, about to the able, you are so you to know when he may. And the Obone Baton than try to conquer fear. Because fear is one of the greatest enemy of man. For me, I don't fear that anybody can kill me. It's not possible. When my time comes and my Ismail pass it, so be it. But for any human being under the sun, born of a woman, to kill me, no. It will never happen. Now, after that one, pay attention to Alusi Kunegi and Machegwagi how to climb the ladder. Yes. Pay attention to Alusi Kunegi. You don't need Dibia to tell you to visit, do that. Very, very important. Now, maybe you cannot do that. Yes, definitely you need to have a middle person. Maybe you are spiritualist, you are Dibia, you are whatever, that can perform those sacrifices on your behalf. And then why pleading with them that they should accept your sacrifice for the reason that for the simple fact that then no the person is performing it on your behalf. pleading with them to accept your offering, pending whenever you come back to Nigeria. Very, 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 very important. So somebody, your spiritualist, your dibia, your high priest can do it for you. Pending, that can do it in your absence. But that does not mean that mgbe batakwalo n'ime eji aka gị kwukwana ọnụ nke gị, mana o nwere ihe bụ na n'ogba na-eme ihe bụ na n'uche ya elulu mana ọ nọrọ nso. Yes, etu a nọgide nwere m ike isendịrị ndị ọgọ m ihe, agwara m ike ịbịawu, but ozi m ruru ha aka. They will be happy. However, I ask my ọgọ ịnọzikwana ebe ka anyị fụ ihu na ihu, but however, they will be sure we be happy, at least na ncheta. Ịghọtara ya? Ihe a bụ ihe ị nwere ike ime, you must be doing. Very, very important. Very, very important. Agwaghị ihe ọ na-ebuka. O nwere ọrụ mmụọ ụfọdụ ọ ga-abụ for the fact na imeria o nwere ụsọgba arụsị ụfọdụ for the simple reason na ipe homage to arụsị be nna gị, o mebie ụfọdụ ihe na-apụta n'afa gị. Yes. So ihe na-achịkwara what is supposed to be doing. So ndị mma na challenge, they have a little bit challenges when they're not outside the country. Some of these things they can't do it themselves. They have to engage a third party, especially that can be doing those, and they have to pay. Because again, why they should pay is that even if you are doing those sacrifices to their entities on their behalf, you as a Dibia that is doing the Ewoko will still settle their own entities for standing by you to perform those sacrifices. And not able in our local series. So you have seen it will cost them more. Yes. More than they are present. Because the more. So on the outside, their case out there. Makana all the guys to unlock almost on certain things when we keep with time. Ijebe na men market again. Making a boutique. I know I'm buying them expensive, but there's nothing I can do for the fact that the mama made you men market. So God, understandable. Manamakagiwa, boy, on a bend again, in Onitsha, in Newi, in Aba, in Lagos. In Wuriki, Jack, and the some of those things. I want to give a group and nugget, or who's a group and nugget on the front and back, the hammer may permit. Then the car when he was rekindled in another place. Messiah, because those entities understand perfectly. Now, Gruben again are not conducive. And it will not be fair or nice. You will even a Gruben Nagi stay trouble. As in, I've been a Gruben Nagi, maybe I can remember what is good. But for the fact that you are not the most senior in the compound, to avoid others accusing you of doing witchcraft something or whatever, or holding their destiny, then in order to make sure there's peace and harmony in your company, decide to do it elsewhere is acceptable, because someone are full. And what do you know? A castle stone. Those things is what we'll be doing gradually. But only like a man that came to the temple today. Then after the council or whatever, and they have after reviewed that this man is so broke, he cannot be able to fund even those work if I decide to do it myself. What did I do? After I'm for I need help. Can you remember? I can send me a yogi Jackie me. Another woman, Jackie me. Otaria, didn't know man ye me as Jackie me. So one call me can see Mrs. Abia and marry that one. Manando ye me was me and bed there. For nobody cheap. Yes, as Jackie me. What is it more Jack and me? Once marry, my entities of powers, I have to get them involved before I do any work. And after the end of the work, they have their own share. They have their own share. So for that reason, I can say, go and do it. The rest, do it yourself. So we are spending more because, example, enwere m ike ifu onye nwere uchu hapụ ikwu okwu gbasara uchu ya ma ọ hapụ ikwu okwu gbasara ife iri chi ya jelụbara ya ọrụ mmiri. Ihe a wasted resources because chi bụ ụzọ mkpasacha ada uchu the next is chi before a proceed with ndị ọzọ. Ihe mmadụ bụrụ uchu n'ụzọ ya bịara be gị maka na o nwere ike oje ga ebe dị agwa na ndị mmiri na-edi stop ya ọ bịa ọrụ mmiri I will say no. Ị ga-ebu ụzọ feed ọ bụrụ na uchu adụrọ n'ụzọ ga-ebu ụzọ feed echi gị before you proceed maka na mgbe ụfọdụ uchu nwere ike dị n'ụzọ gị ịchụkwara chi gị i proceed eto ọrụ mmiri anyị rụrụ ụbabashi a na-akpa na ana ọfọ dọtara ya ka m kwụsị ebe a. Echi niile anyị enwe part 2 of this particular lecture. Yes, anyị ga-enwe part 2 of this particular lecture ka ị wee ghọta ya ọfụma ihe ị kwesịrị ime. Ị na-echa vidio tụsara ya ndị ọzọ. Ọ ihe ndị a ihe ị kwesịrị ịma. Ibe dibịa mgbachi alụchalụ ọrụ ọnwụ n'ụchụ n'ụzọ ọsa ụchụ n'ụzọ ọsacha ụchụ ọnwụ na-alụ n'ụzọ akpụ alụ ụbụcha alụ ofu iduolu uchi gị ịchọ ka ijiri aka unu eme gwa ya na ịchọrọ like the guy the man bịara ebe today o jiri ego afụgo m ya nkọwarị ya otu ọ ga-esi wee na-eme bit by bit some of these things o jiri aka na-eme ya. And echefuna ihe na my YouTube channel ya afọ ebe m kụziri etu mmadụ nwee ike isi ji aka feed chie especially ọbụna iwe nọ na Nigeria ebe ị ga-enwe ike inweta all the needful and moreover ebe inwe conducive environment. Ụfọdụ ndị nọ outside the country because of the country ha bi ya especially ndị bi Europe or America nwere ike ma ha enwe na that conducive environment and the material needed imewu elu. Ndị bi na Ghana na ndị African country nwere ike ịghọta wee ghọtara ya. N'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile ekwu m okwu ngozi n'isi ndị niile nọ under the influence of our voice. Sị ka ihe ọma dị iche mere ha n'isi nwoke ya na n'isi nwaanyị. Ọ bụrụ na o nwere ajụjụ ị nwere na nkụzi anyị kụzi taa sendelu message na WhatsApp 0805-7837-672. I repeat 0805-7837-672. Catch your phone. Ka ọ dị n'echi.